This was my 2024. In 2023, last year, I made $21,805.78 as a Microstock Contributor. Last year, my best month was September 2023, where I made over $2,500, which really was a lot for me at the time. After reaching such a high level of passive income, I decided to push through to see where Microstock can take me in 2024. I invested in new gear. And I had to learn how to use them as a Microstock contributor. I optimized my workflow using AI for keywording. Started uploading to more Microstock agencies to make 2024 my most productive ever. Started traveling, go places all over Europe. Microstock made me discover places which I'm so thankful for. I visited Germany. Where I captured major industrial sites, green valleys filled with vineyards, awesome cities and skylines, castles along the river, and much more. I drove over 35,000 kilometers. A lot of those kilometers were on beautiful roads. I not only gained but also lost. There still is one DJI Envato 2 on the bottom of this river. What a year it has been, 2024. At the beginning of the year I didn't expect that I would come so far in terms of earnings and uploading numbers. Really surprised myself. Also what I really liked is I started traveling, discovering new places abroad, because in the Netherlands I already seen so many things and filmed so many sites, so I really enjoyed discovering new places, and that's one of the great things. Microstock really forces you to look up these places. And then while doing it you come across so many beautiful things and experiences. Now before I will reveal to you how much I made in 2024, there was one trip I really want to show you. 2024, I made over $32,000 in Microstock. That's an increase of over $10,000 compared to last year. I grew my earnings by 47%. My best month was November 2024. Only one question remains.